How does a home inspector protect themselves from claims that are related to other services that they may offer?
And that's the ancillary coverage. And basically what it means is, if you're doing home inspections, you definitely need home inspector E&O and general liability, no doubt, because like I said, you're going to need it at some point in your career. The law of averages requires it. But the ancillary services are a little bit different, and a lot of inspectors don't realize that they're not covered for those services. Now, with our underwriting team, our people know exactly what they're being covered for and what they're not. We take great pains to make sure they do that. But with regard to the ancillary services, they're usually covered under that E&O policy as an endorsement. And so, for example, in our company, we offer ancillary coverage for wood destroying insect inspections, radon, sewer scopes, oil tank sweeps, mold, all those things that are add-ons. Now, if you're in business and you're trying to make the most money you can and you're offering all these different services, well, you need that coverage for them too. Now, in our policy, a lot of those coverages don't even cost you any extra money. But you need to have those coverage in place. So it's not enough to just have the home inspector E&O. If you're going to do radon testing, you need to have that endorsement there that's going to cover you for that event. Or mold, for example, is a big ticket item. And in our company, if you didn't go out there and agree to inspect for mold, and somebody says, you should have told us about the mold, well, we're going to cover you with a defense under your E&O. But if you're actually out there doing mold inspections or indoor air quality inspections and you don't have that coverage, well, then you don't have coverage for that claim. And so it's really important as an inspector, if you're offering any other ancillary service whatsoever, that you have the appropriate coverage for that. And like I said, in our program, there's not really much there to do. We're there to tell you what you need and help you get it as cheaply and quickly as possible.